What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and today we're just gonna have at it. We're gonna strip some of the body panels and stuff off here, top deck and all that jazz. I'm gonna go through and try to save as many of these pieces here as I can. And I think once we get stuff stripped off, we're gonna go ahead and start making some new panels. So let's get to work. Some stuff I'm gonna take note of here real quick before I really get into the ripping and tearing. You'll notice that this corner of my roof kind of sags here, so might be doing something to fix that. The roof is a little torn up in both corners. This arch here is legal. You're allowed, I think it's off the top of my head, 1 inch or something off of the straight line there, but I've noticed that with this arch it puts a lot of pressure on the roof. Like I'll just kind of lift this up a little bit, you know, and so any pressure that this is exerting this way is pulling this up, and then you get any little damage over here and it starts tearing up your roof and all that jazz. So we'll probably think about addressing that. I just kind of wanted to point it out now, that way you knew what I was talking about when I got to that point. But for now, let's just start taking some panels off. This looks like it's bent down, my T-bar here. You can see it's got a little bit of a downhill slope there, so we'll probably have to address that as well. So yeah, let the ripping and tearing begin. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff stripped off here. This is the back of the car in all its naked glory. Woo! We have lots of stuff to address under here, and I'll get to that stuff. Like I said, this T-bar up front is bent and it's cracked here. So let me know what you guys do. Do you leave this as a solid deal, or do you kind of make this as a breakaway T-bar like you do the right rear? I know that center one usually doesn't turn into like a breakaway one, but I'm curious what you guys do up front. As far as I know, the front ones are like, you want them as solid as possible, but you know, then they get bent up and then you got to replace them. So comment below, let me know what you guys do. If you guys do something different than trying to keep that completely solid. Took off of some stuff on the other side too. As you can see, whoop, this is fairly naked, and I think while I got this really open, we're gonna go through here and try to fix this brake rod again. It is bent again from a while back, the first time I put this thing into the wall, and it bent that rod, so I haven't been able to adjust my brakes. My brakes have been set where they've been set. But now that I have pretty good access to that, I think I'll jump into the brakes there. But all of this stuff is torn apart. Still not sure if I'm going to replace these pieces in here, because they're actually, yeah, they're old. They're kind of, you know, used up. I mean, not used up, but scratched up and whatnot, but they're actually still in really good shape. That's part of why we do the multiple pieces. This inner piece here was still in fairly good shape, except for that the seam really started to get ripped. This one's getting ripped a little bit, so I don't know if I want to replace this whole piece, because like I said, the whole thing's not really messed up. What I might do instead is just come in and reinforce this spot right here to make it a little bit more solid again, and who knows, that thing might ride there for another 2 years. These actually, this panel, all of these panels here, including that one and that stuff over there, that was all the original panels for this car. This is a 2018 chassis, so it's all of that stuff has been on here since then. So, you know, why change it if it's not terrible? You know what I mean? Like, we're ballers on a budget here. I know it's not going to look amazing right up close, but you know, from the stands and once it gets muddy, it's going to look all right. So anyways, yeah, comment below, let me know what you guys do about your front T-bar and stuff. And it is currently 90 degrees in my garage. It's actually hotter outside, that's why the garage door is closed. And I'm gonna go inside and drink some water and come back out, and we'll have at it again. Okay, during that break, I did try going to a bunch of different places to find me some square tubing, and unfortunately I can't find any. I can't find any 3/4 inch. I found a lot of 1/2 inch, I found 1 inch, 1 1/4. What I'm looking for is 3/4 inch. So yeah, oh well. Looks like I will be waiting till Monday morning to be able to call an actual steel place and see if I can get what I need. Oh well, one more thing we got to do. So let's I'll move on to something else. All right, guys, my night kind of got derailed, and I apologize for that, but it is Sunday. I will come back and I will do some work tomorrow, Monday. That gives me a little bit of time to edit a video that night and get it posted for you guys on Tuesday. But I got derailed because unfortunately, have you guys ever like made a huge like Costco trip or something like that, and like recently, and then you shove it all into your freezer and stuff, and then your freezer takes a dump? Yay! So we kind of had to do a panic transfer of what was still frozen, but some things got defrosted, and we did a panic like cooking and meal prepping with those items, and so that just like completely derailed my evening. But that's all right. Come back, we'll hit it hard again tomorrow, and hopefully I have some exciting news or some good news to share with you guys tomorrow as well. So with that being the case, we will switch to tomorrow now. Alrighty guys, it is now Monday, and some stuff kind of got derailed. I was still not able to go get any square tubing. That is, I'm fingers crossed it's going to be a tomorrow thing. But something else happened that's kind of awesome. I think I precursored, or yeah, I don't know. I kind of give you, no, I didn't give you a hint or anything, but told you something was coming, and here it is. Boom, check it out. That's right, the 383 is back from the machine shop. I am super stoked about it. I don't know if this engine is going to make it into the car before the next race. Again, we're working on bent chassis stuff and body, but that will get done. Now, I do want to show you guys this. Hold on one second, I'll turn the camera back on. I want you guys to remember back to February, the Working Man Dirt Nationals. That's why the engine was at the machine shop when the camshaft broke. I told you guys I would show you what happened when I got it. So here's the camshaft. There's the brake. Right there after the gear. So that's why when we pulled the valve covers and we were so confused that everything was rotating, because the timing gear set is all mounted to this side, so it all turns, and all the valve train was turning except for the distributor. That's where the brake happened. So some wild stuff there. My brother just showed up. What do you think? Weld it together?
Yeah, I think I think I could spend a couple days, get her straight, weld her up, clean her up.
You're good to go.
We got a good working cam again. Save us a couple $100. We are.
Why do I not believe you? All right, anyways,
I swear the fish was this big.
Yeah, as it gets bigger and bigger every time he says it. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys that that is here. I'll give you a quick rundown with what happened with the engine itself. It did need to be bored, so we went from 30 over to 40 over on the 383, and it is my first time my brother seeing it without the body on it. He's like, wow, your car's naked. Anyways, the 383 is now together, sitting in the back here. Needs to be unloaded. Not sure when that's gonna go in the car, like I said, but we will get there. Only thing that I'm upset with so far is, and you guys will see it in another video, we were supposed to be Chevy orange instead of a flat black, and they painted it flat black instead of Chevy orange, but that's all right. I think it's a flat black primer, so I can still paint it whatever color I want.
I got some purple.
Got some purple? Yeah, this has got some purple still. Yeah, and talking of broken camshafts, Tiss's, if his cam broke, we still haven't gotten it opened completely yet. It's still in process of trying to get it out of the car.
Fix a tow truck so I can actually pull the motor.
Yeah, fix the tow truck to be able to pull the motor. Yes. He obviously did not get this lucky. He did not get, and when I say lucky, like the fact that all of this was still spinning and stayed intact, that's good. His probably broke somewhere in here where they normally break.
I found at least 3 push rods that are missing, another 3 that are bent. There's pieces of valve seal all over on top of the head, so I'm not too enthusiastic about pulling the rest of it apart.
Yeah, so yeah, he just didn't luck out. But I mean, comment below, guys, have you ever seen one break right here before? Because I never have.
I've never even heard of it.
Right? They usually break in here somewhere.
Yeah.
Like whatever, I guess. So at this point, we're gonna work on getting, I'm glad that he showed up. He actually showed up randomly for some other reason that he's yet to disclose to me, but he literally got out of his car, walked up the driveway, and I said, we're about to shoot a video. And he's like, oh, okay. And now he's gonna get recruited to help me get a motor out of the back of my truck too.
Really?
You like how that works out?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad he showed up. So
I should have showed up tomorrow.
yeah, when it was all done. So, all right, guys, we're gonna get a motor on, or an engine unloaded, and we'll come back to you. Alrighty, we're unloaded. We decided to go with the manhandle approach. So here it is, all out in its glory. Got lots of stuff to put back on it. I'm gonna get it wrapped up in plastic for now. It came in a plastic bag, but I'm gonna actually saran wrap it, make it nice and sealed.
We totaled the bag trying to get to where we could pull it out anyway. So.
Yeah, well, I wasn't gonna tell him that. No, yeah, we did.
Wade totally. I had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, a little bit of frustration there, just trying to get it off. So we're gonna saran wrap it up, and then it's probably gonna find a nice little home. I know I got body part stuff kind of laying here, but it's probably gonna find a nice little home right there once I get the nose and stuff moved out of the way. And then we will come back to that at a later date. So on with life. All right, engine's in here, engine's wrapped up. I'm a happy camper. We have the old pistons sitting here. We're gonna see if we can use those for a later project. And of course we have my broken camshaft inside. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Maybe
make a little trophy.
Make a little trophy or something for it.
Yeah. Say with all your other broken parts, but that trophy would be the size of the car.
Yeah, I was about to say we could literally just make a broken car.
Just take a car and start welding broken parts on it.
This guy's got jokes. This guy's got jokes. Anyways, I know the video got like super derailed. We started off doing body stuff. Engine showed up. For the sake of time and length of this video, I kind of, I just throw things at you as they come at me. It's kind of like, real-time updates type of thing. So we're gonna stop this video here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. We have started doing a bunch of YouTube shorts. I guess that's a thing. So hopefully you guys are seeing those, and I'm hoping you guys aren't getting annoyed by those. Let me know if they're like affecting your daily life or whatever. I wasn't sure really what they were. I was just it was suggested to me that I should do those and do lots of those, so that's what I'm doing. Next video, we are definitely going to be jumping into body stuff because I have to get it down, and hopefully we'll have some new square tube starting tomorrow. So yeah, lots to come. Thanks for watching. My brother's here, so we'll finish it off with a
Till next time, keep the dirty side down.
peace.